Colonel, you think of absolutely everything. This is the third time I've broken my leather moratorium, and I can think of no more worthy person to do it with than Colonel Littleton. It's a very tiny box, um, but I want to think that this one feel like I had license to break it because do you see what this is here? These are crutches. I was on crutches, and I'm supposed to still be on crutches, but I'm kind of half doing it. Don't tell anybody. Because I tore my calf muscle when I was on my trip in Oregon, and it was really painful, and I freaked out because there's like, I guess there's like level 1, level 2, level 3. Level 1 will heal itself. Level 2 and 3, you have to have surgery basically to like sew up your calf muscle, and it was really brutal, and I was terrified. I was kind of near tears, but was trying to be like brave about it, but was inwardly freaking out about it. And so I've been on crutches for a while, and if you know me, you know I love and adore coffee, and one of my coworkers saw me walking to work the other day, hobbling in on crutches with a backpack and carrying my coffee, and you can't do that. Like, you don't have the hands to do it. So it was hilarious, and it was like me essentially hobbling into the office. It took me like 20 minutes to get from the parking garage to my office, and it was literally laughable, so I'm glad like not a bunch of people saw that. And I was like, I've got to remedy this situation because I'm not going to give up these because I need them. And I'm not giving up my coffee because I'm not giving up my coffee. If you've never bought from Colonel Littleton, you should know. He takes extreme great care with his products, obviously, but also with the packaging. I feel like he's the great American crafter. And he always has really thoughtful sayings and words and all these things. Like, see, this is the Colonel Littleton, strive to be stellar. If you don't follow anybody on Facebook, follow him, because he always posts these really, I feel like they're very motivational and inspirational quotes. And so it's just nice to get online and like read that stuff. Just like, I feel like you're a slightly better person for having read his quotes. Anyways, so he always sends like a little something something with it. And that little something something is a moon pie. Amazing. I actually had never had a moon pie before I visited him in Tennessee. So anyways, this was a little something, I'll be honest, I wanted, but then obviously the gods just made it a necessity for me by frankly tearing my calf muscle so that I would have to have something like this. And that something is this. So now I can take my Yeti. Let me remove this. And I really wanted black and brown. You know, usually I'm like a brown on brown person, but for some reason I saw this and I was like, oh, I'm gonna want brown on black. And so I'm gonna drop my little Yeti in here, and look, I'm gonna be able to hobble along with my crutches and pinky carry my coffee. So my coworkers won't laugh at me, and it won't take me 20 minutes to get in. And if you're ever one of those people that you're like leaving for the office and you've got like a bag and a lunch and a phone and a this, like, could there be anything greater to carry your coffee than this? I mean, we always have our hands super full. Not to mention, like, huge, huge style points. Like, that's sexy. Okay, so that's that. Comes always in these little cutie patootie. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Oh, look at this. So I can snap my keys to something super handy. Like, say, I don't know, my coffee. Talk about the hands-free experience. I mean, frankly, I'm not even going to say this was me breaking the moratorium. This is just, it was a need. This and this, I'm in business. I can't wait to go to work tomorrow and rock this out. So I might do a little action shot. So stay tuned, because I might put my coffee in here and try to hobble about on the grass, so you can see how it all like works in concert together. This thing is super cool. I love the rivet and the fact that I can make it like however long I want. So anyways, stay tuned. I'll be right back. I'm so excited. Okay, there is 100% no more stylish carry than this thing. So my husband jerry-rigged a little zip tie here, and he took that keychain and looped it through, so it's hands-free. It's not even a pinky carry, although you could obviously pinky carry it. And I tried that too before he did it. But look, if you know somebody that's on crutches, oh my goodness, you can be with your crutches but not without your coffee. So thanks to the Colonel, this is literally like there's no more stylish piece of coffee accessory than this thing. This like insane tan on black, beautiful contraption with the jerry rig, and you can also put your keys on there. I feel like I'm a crutches / Col Littleton infomercial, but look at it, it's amazing. Thank you, Colonel. Hopefully I'll come out to Tennessee and see you soon. Take care.